Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. My name is Charles Kings, and in today's video I will be showing you how I got a free $50 Forex no deposit bonus that requires no deposit and no KYC at all. You can claim the bonus and start trading with it without you having to verify your account and without you having to deposit any amount. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can claim it, where to claim it, and the terms and conditions you have to apply in order for you to be able to withdraw. Yes, you can be able to withdraw from this account. It is 100% withdrawable, and the terms and conditions you have to obey is very simple, really simple, and I will be discussing it in the middle of this video, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. And also there is one important thing that I will be discussing in this video. If you don't want to miss out on it, make sure you stick to this video, because during this video we'll be activating our bonus. We'll be activating it. It is different from verifying our KYC. It's not going to take a lot of time, but it is kind of complicated. You have to pay full attention to it. So right now, right here on my screen by the left side, as you can see, this is my Telegram channel. And if you know that you're interested in making money every single day, even if the money is small, don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel so that you'll be getting free money making update every day. There are a lot of withdrawal proofs from my people, from my family, from my friends in the group. All right, there are a lot of withdrawal proof. If you know that you're interested in making money every day, join the group. And also, if you know that you're interested in getting your Forex account free funded without you having to deposit any money at all, without you having to verify your KYC, then this channel is for you. Take a moment right now, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, turn on your notification button so that when next I drop a video, you'll be the first person to get the bonus. So now proceeding to the next step, the number one step that you have to take is that the link to claim this $50 no deposit bonus will be available for you in the description of this video and will also be pinned in the comment section. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section, click on the link, and you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel, and from my Telegram channel you'll be redirected back to the platform that you are going to be using. So this is the platform that you are going to be using to claim your $50 no deposit bonus that requires no deposit and no KYC required. And as you can see right here on my screen, I have told you earlier that the profits that you trade with this bonus are withdrawable, and this is it right here on your screen. Also, as you can see, this is it. Trading without deposit, profits can be withdrawn. All right, broker condition tested on real account. This account is tested and it is very sure, and they also have 20 years experience. So the next thing for you to do, as you can see down here, full promotional terms. Let me cycle it for you so that you can see. So in order for you to know more about their terms and conditions, just click on it, click on full promotional terms, and as you can see, the promotion is valid from May 15 to August 31. So this bonus will only be available for a limited time. So make sure that as soon as you are done watching this video, you go and claim the bonus. And as you can see, the promotion is available for only new clients. So if you are not new, you can't be able to get this promotion. If you've claim this bonus before, you can't claim it again. All right, so, and as you can see, this promotion applies to classic MT4, market pro MT4, and ENC MT4. So this promotion only applies for MT4 app. Number 4, the bonus is reflect. You can just take your time and read them well. So now the next thing you have to do in order for you to claim this bonus is to click on registration. So once you click on registration, it's going to bring you to this place. The next thing for you to do is to enter your email address, and once you are done, click on register. So now that you are also done with that part, it's going to bring you to this place. Click on your email, enter your email, and make sure that you make them understand that you are not a robot. And once you are done, click on register again. So once you are done clicking on register, it's going to bring you to this place. The next thing for you to do is to enter your first name, your last name, and as you can see, you can only trade with MetaTrader 4. Classic USDT leverage is 1,000 2000. And so the next thing for you to do is to enter your first name, last name, and click on finish registration. Once you are done with that part, it's going to bring out something like this: thank you for registering, activate your personal account, follow the link from the email by Dr. Kings. So now the remaining thing for us to do is for us to activate our personal account, and here you have to be very, very attentive. You have to stay attentive, you have to stay attention. All right, so make sure you watch this video and stick to the end. So now let's activate our account. Let's go to our email. As you can see, this is what we receive on our email account. So the next thing for you to do is to click on login to client area. So as you can see in this our email, this is our password and our username that we are going to be using to log in. So you have to come here, click on copy your username and copy your password. So go back to so once you are done copying it, go back to the platform and paste it there to log in. So now as you can see, now that we are done logging into our account, this is what they will bring out for you. So what you have to do is to scroll down, click on open real account, So once you click on it, the account that we are going to choose is MT4. Don't forget that. They are supposed to bring it by themselves, but I don't know what's going on. So once you are done, click on open real account. So the reason why they brought out something like this on my screen is because this network is bad, but I will show you how you can get your own. All right, once you are done opening a real account, the next thing for you to do is for you to go back to your dashboard. All right, so let's go back to our dashboard. So once you get to your dashboard, which is this place, the next thing for you to do is to look down below here, and as you can see, this is a 3-line below where the right menu. Just click on it, click on menu, and as you can see, just come down to bonuses, click on bonuses, and as you can see, this is it, Forex bonuses. And this is where you have to pay a full attention to what we will be doing. This is where you are going to be inputting a promo code, and I will be showing you the promo code that you are to enter. The promo code is general. All right, so I will be giving you a promo code for you to enter, but if you are opening a MT5 account, the promo code will not work. You must only use a MT4 account. Make sure that everything you are doing is MT4 account. All right, make sure that everything you are doing is MT4 account, please, I beg you. So the next thing for you to do is to click on activate bonus code. So click on so now let me enter the promo code for you. The promo code is this is the promo code WOW50. So this is the promo code, and I want you to see it properly so that you won't have any delay. So once you are done, just click on activate. So once you are done clicking on activate, it's just go back to your dashboard. Once you are done activating it, go back to your dashboard. So it's going to bring out your $50 to this place. The reason why they are bringing $00 for me is because I was unable to get mine because of the network, because of the poor network I have. But right here on your screen, they will bring out a $50 for you. All right, they will bring it out for you here. So not just will you see your bonus over here, you will see your login details for MT4. You also see it over here, and it will also be sent to your email account. So the next thing for you to do is for you to go to your MT4 account and log in. And I hope you know how to log in, but if you don't, let me show you how to log in. All right, so right now let's go to our MT4 platform. Let's look for our MT4 platform. So this is our MT4 platform. So click on it, click on this plus icon, and click on login to an existing account. So search for Fresh Forex. What you just have to do is to enter your login details and enter your server enter your server, make sure you choose MT4. Enter your server, make sure that you are using MT4 platform, MT4 trader to log in. So enter your server and click on login. So once you click on login, they will bring it out for you that you can start trading. You'll see your bonus, and you can now come to this place, come to this chart and start trading. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friend, drop a comment if you have been able to get yours, and also don't forget to join my Telegram channel if you know that you are interested in getting to make money every single day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you trade well. Bye.